Is your Apple Watch frozen and not responding to taps or button presses? Maybe the screen is stuck, apps won't open, or the watch completely stopped working. Don't worry, in this guide, I will show you the best fixes to get your Apple Watch working again. These tips work on all Apple Watch models running the latest versions of watchOS. The first and most effective fix is a forced restart. Here's how you can do it. Press and hold the side button and the digital crown button together. Keep holding them for about 10 to 15 seconds. Release both buttons when you see the Apple logo. This refreshes the system and fixes most temporary freezes. Sometimes the screen appears frozen because the battery is completely drained. Place the watch on its charger, leave it connected for at least 20 to 30 minutes, and make sure you're using a working charging cable and adapter. If you see a red lightning bolt icon, the battery was empty and just needs time to recharge. If your Apple Watch is wet or dirty, the touchscreen may stop responding properly. Use a soft microfiber cloth to remove water, clean fingerprints, and wipe away dust or lotion. Some thick screen protectors or rugged cases can interfere with touch sensitivity. Try removing the screen protector, protective cases, and any magnetic accessories. Then test the screen again. Sometimes only one app is frozen instead of the whole watch. To force close an app, double press the digital crown, find the frozen app, swipe left on the app preview, and then tap on the X button. Then reopen the app to see if it's working normally. Software bugs can also cause freezing issues. To update your Apple Watch, on your Apple Watch, open the Settings app, tap on General, and then tap on Software Update. Install any available updates. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Low storage can slow down and freeze your Apple Watch. To check storage on your Apple Watch, open the Settings app, tap on General, then tap on Storage. Remove any unused apps, music, photos, podcasts, and other things. Freeing up space can improve responsiveness. If nothing has worked so far, try setting up the watch again. Here's how you can do it. Open the watch app on your iPhone, tap on All Watches, then tap on the info button next to your watch's name. Here, choose Unpair Apple Watch. After the reset finishes, pair it again like new. This can fix deeper software issues. If your Apple Watch is still frozen after trying everything, there may be a hardware issue. You should contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for inspection. Hopefully, one of these fixes solved your Apple Watch frozen issue. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Apple Watch tips, iPhone fixes, and Apple tutorials. Thanks for watching.